Hey everyone, I made it inside Homegoods. Look at that guy right there. All the bright oranges. It's kind of cute, right? I kind of like that stuff. I love that color too. $12.99. Then you have a little like rooster with put some flowers in there. It's kind of cool. Interesting. Not as much like on the end cap. This one is going to be 80. Little planter box. It's not self-watering. I don't think so. No. These are $29.99. So you put like a little pot on there. And then just some white pottery. Not as much. The gnome guy's there. Let me walk over here. Oh, look at that cat. It's like a Zen cat. Okay, look. I like their hats. I like when their hats are like that. I wonder if they light up. It looks like an eyeball, right? But it's not. And look at them. Those are kind of interesting. Those are only 40. It's like a lion being a Zen. These are 6. A little red tag there. And every time I see him, I think of Night at the Museum.
Oh yeah.
The bubble gum. Yeah. Thumbs up for 17. That's interesting. And the monkeys are here. Look at this guy. 17 for like little home accent. We have a lady doing like gymnastics in the back. This one's really interesting, caught my eye. No price on this one, but if you're loving home decor like this, Burlington does have a smaller version. So I always see the tiny one in Burlington. Little jewelry holder, 13. He's swinging for 17. There's an apple. And there's little boxes, 17. This one's open halfway. Oh my gosh, he's like a piggy, like a rocking piggy, like a rocking horse, but a rocking piggy. Never seen that one. Okay, in the book department, wild art. Art is not always things made by people who call themselves artists. See if I can open this one up here. Oh, that's wild, right? When the sidewalk looks like it's like coming at you. Let me see if I could pick this one up without dropping. I can't really, but it's like an open mouth. That one's closed. Classic Hollywood style. I love archways like that. I was just looking at a book the other day about like just architect. The United States compared to like other parts of the world. Like where their buildings are beautiful, you know. Oh, look at this bird. He's a little candle, starfish. Ooh, look at that pillow. It's like a painting, like an old-fashioned painting. Kind of reminds me of one your parents have with a wooden frame.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, gosh. It's kind of cool. Look at that starfish. 15 for this guy right here. There's like a tree. Someone left their cart.
How goofy this tree is.
Yeah.
Like sticks with wires stuck on
$350 for like a very simple desk. I feel like this would bust right through. But $350, I mean, it's cute if you don't use it. If you just want it for decor. Oh man, now that Easter, you know, is like pretty much over. Less decor to look at. Look at that wild thing. That's so cool. It's cool and interesting at the same time. That is 40. Wow, that's 40. This one's kind of cool looking. So 40 right here in the middle and 30. $30. Then we're gonna get into a little bit of yellow. This one's 20. Life is good. And look at that little tiny beach chair for a child. That is only 17. Then over here we're gonna get into like the melamine, you know, the dinnerware outdoor. There's like a taco holder or whatever you want to use it for. And everything blue over here. Blue turtles, the nautical vibe. This one is by Nautica. The little fish one. That's only 15. Then you have like a little tray, little dipper one with the crab in the back. Here we go. Look at this guy. He's so crabby. He's 10. $13, and then more lemon. I'm not sure if you've seen the lemon with like the polka dot right there. The bowls are 10. This one has the bees on it. Looks like that's 8. Oh, look at that. Is that glass? No. Life is Sweet, $2.99. Spike one for that's cute. The butterfly tray, cold drinks. Are you guys ready for summer? I don't know, I'm kind of dreading it. I'm dreading, not gonna lie. Yeah, now how it gets hot over here. I feel like in the summertime I only really come out at night. That's a cute watermelon tray at the bottom. Right here. Oh, it's tin too. Okay, cool. That's 17. More watermelon, 3. Oh, it's a cute table runner with the butterflies on it. I believe this one's 16. House and Garden. Let me scoot back. 15. Rachel is 20. And red, yellow. $17. This one has the butterflies too. That's 17 as well. Skip, same. It's like different patterns. They're kind of cute, right? These are 5. And a little new container over here. That's 8, like a lemon. 5. Oh, no price. But look at the little cake stands. Those little mini ones. They're 13. Look, we have bees right here. There's one more bee. Let me put that. Gotta find. There we go. Put it down real quick. And not all little bee one. That's cute. I like these little stands. Oh, I'm gonna be careful here. Oh, that skull guy, he's been here for a long time. Look how stinking cute. Little strawberry truffle in there, $10. That's like really cute. Love this green for 10. I also like this one in the back. That's 10 as well. Get your bling back here. That's 20. That could be used as a weapon. $20. What do you have? Potato poppers, cheddar, those are 4. Lentil chips, mesquite barbecue. Okay, I kind of like made my way into the food department. All these chips. Orange and vanilla cream pop flavor. What is that, popcorn? Cheese balls. Cacao therapy. This is made of almond butter. Keto friendly, 5. I do love this mix. I normally buy it at Winco, $4 or Kroger. I don't know why I love that stuff. What is this one? $5? Cream fudge with butter and whole milk. It kind of looks like cowtails. Maybe a different take on it. I don't know. I love cowtails. Here's like a toffee one. Oh, not as much food. Normally there's like so many different snacks in here. Like we have matcha, tea, chocolate. 7. And what is this one? Coffee, 70% dark chocolate. You will get 4 on the butterflies. These are 13. And some of these I know we've seen in Burlington, but you can also find them here. This one is by Shabby Chic. And of course you will get 4 for only 25. Wow, 25. Cheaper in Burlington. That is definitely cheaper over there. And that's 10. Tommy Bahama. Are these? Yeah, they're double wall, okay. These are nice. Let me walk over here. Not as much in kitchen either. Pots and pans. I'm trying to get to the home decor, like furniture. Hopefully they have some today. I don't know why, but when I was walking around the corner, this guy right here kind of reminded me a little bit of Stefano DiMera. Do you guys remember Days of Our Lives? Was like everything when you were like in grade school, junior high, because you know Marlena was possessed. So much stuff going on. Stefano was like the evil villain, having people live in his basement, dungeon, whatever, private island with a dome over it. So crazy.
And they got buried and fell into a lava pit.
Yeah.
That carried them to the
That was a crazy soap opera, along with Passions. Oh my gosh. I only got into Passion because of Timmy. You know? I was like, oh my gosh, what am I watching? We have a heart shelf here that is $25. Oh gosh. Everything has been picked through today. This might be it, you guys. For what is that? Cloud Light DIY kit. Normally this stuff catches on fire if you do your own, so please be careful. It does catch on fire, okay? I don't know about that kit, but when you make your own like cloud with cotton balls and everything, and you have your LED light. Okay, pillows. And everything here is going to be more pillows, yet. I want to say that was it for any home decor. Let me pan out real quick. Nobody's here. Alright, you guys. That is going to do it for this walkthrough of Homegoods. Oh my gosh. Look how interesting. I think those are really interesting. And look at this purple one over here, too. I wonder if this is a red tag. It is. 15. Oh, man. They covered it. And check these out. Pick one up. Oh. Let's see, is the price on here? Oh, no. Oh, maybe. That is $32 from what? I'm not too sure, but they have a pink one. You guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.